How to log into Williams Sonoma Credit Card account? Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in Williams Sonoma Credit Card login and search for it. Click on the very first website option, Williams Sonoma Capital One Credit Card. Open it. With that, you will land to the official website of Capital One. Now here you can see the option of sign in. Click on it. Now you have to fill this. Provide the credentials of Williams Sonoma Credit Card. Type in the username and then type in the password. In the case you want to save your login info, you can check in for this option, Remember Me. If you have forgotten your password or username, you can click on this option to recover it. In the case you haven't registered for Williams Sonoma Credit Card, you can click on this option, Set up online access. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into Williams Sonoma Credit Card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.